One less. One less. Good, good.
No, one lie down round there, so watch yourself, you know, my queen. One lie down.
Here to stay, even when I'm gone. When I close my eyes through the passage of time, things never die.
Go over here, so.
Help! I'm being surrounded!
Container.
Come in, man. Just follow. Go over here, so we are. Delta, they too close to the line right now.
Yeah, man, dog. They want to kill the boy.
Alright, with the little 1 tree, kill them. You don't have to go 8 kill and 9 kill. You can go 3 kill and 4 kill, you know?
Jump.
Just let it. Yeah, but you have to wait till the line up.
Marked a location.
Just look out for boy, you know?
Yeah, man, rich dog.
My RP mission, they have to kill somebody with UMP. Let me get the royal pass, you know, but let's go do a whole heap of
Some boy and a dog with a shotgun me have.
I don't know how much. The graphics. Yeah.
I got supplies.
We'll pass it through that road.
Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead.
Man, there was some.
Marked a location.
Yeah, man, honestly. Man, stop, sir. The light, that's not like that, no.
Thank you.
Jogging in on the veranda.
Alright, so they ain't kill your fam.
Okay, random man.
Yo, the game out like you.
Yes, sir.
Man, kill.
Don't rush.
Shot, bam. Never like her. Yes, sir. Watch out. Like you want to let me play one day. Boy.
I'm gonna kill him.
I'm going to get
I'm not sure.
You must carry a vehicle right as well. Put your green left on.
Need to catch me too.
I'm really sorry. Marked a location. Charge!
Oh, I just care, but I can't believe it.
One left. One left. Good.
No, one lie down round there, so watch yourself in on me queen. One lie down.
Lobby them.
Try to take up one away. That come round here, so.
Run it on them. Send him blood that lab.
As I hear him. I can't live on that them. Quick. And pop some smoke.
Nah, you're easy, dog. You see, I'm going to stop my control and stuff. I don't know why you on your phone right, you can't get the same control from your one. And I think you put it in your clothing. You know?
Excellent work.
You know, no vest, no helmet, no blood climb, and then cut his skull. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm going to 2 people. Hopefully, I get 2 people to them box. There must be a smoke on the bridge, yeah? There's one too small for the night. Shit, the smoke on the wrong place, dog. No more smoke. Need peel and anything there. You can't come
You don't
out.
know what's in the fuck, bro. You need that.
That you not use?
Our time.
Excellent work.
Yeah, I should be head up so bad here.
I'm not head up, yeah. I'm 24 mil.
A boss, sir? See her head up, dad.
A tree. I'm doing now, hard message.
Enemies ahead.
Man panicking. Power.
So move, shield.
Sniper.
Yeah, so-
Marked
See
a
the man drive,
location.
the man run a come down, you drive over them now. Him now walk me there. Straight ahead. They left. Him there.
Mark him and him no bike where you
Marked a
place.
location.
We not see them back. Man,
But it's the one that
right?
Marked a location.
How me see him.
Yeah, but I can't start back there.
Right in front of me. Right where it's smoke there.
Alright.
I try to go behind that tree, yeah. Behind the tree. That's when me
Get in the
knocked
car.
out. Like second time I get knocked out.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Boom, book, hold on, I bush for me there.
Yeah, your life, I remember it fast.
Yeah,
You
boy,
don't make grass, man.
boy, my gas, dog. See them there. Yeah.
I'm not doing that driver. I already had grass after.
Yeah, it's a man.
Watch yourself, me here, so grass. I go to right outside, right there, so. Yeah, man, they don't know, so they tree there. Right there, tree
Yeah,
road,
that's
so
right, yeah. Man, to your right.
Yeah. Yeah,
Thank you.
three more left. Hold on, not 3 more, 2 more. Cause one get knocked out, not up. One grenade, not a little house there. In a little bus stop. One grenade in a little bus stop behind you.
Can you press the board?
Yes, we do. I'm telling him to go press on the man in the grass out there, you know.
No, I say me should have pressed them that way then.
Oh.
I appreciate the ball life low, but I tore them over them on. Do you think I won, you know?
Watch the boy behind the stone.
See two of them.
Two of them.
Careful. Can't be on that shot.
Big doggy here.
Tabasa. Grenade to them. Swing them. One of them. One of them are grenade in our home. My flank. One benefit.
One grenade over a place of it. Just smoke ahead. Them all fling to me in this film. I'm good at fling.
Come on, go. Grenade. Damn, sorry, I got this.
Yo! My queen are normal.
Sorry, I got this. I need a cent to freak dog. Could have pushed it out of him, man. Clear, man.